Seats coming out the Malibu today. About to put the Camaro seats in this thing. About to see if we can get these Camaro seats into the Malibu today. Already got the seats out, started working. Got the back seats. Just need to get new seat belts. Get the seats in the back bolted in. Get back with y'all after the video, see how I look on the inside. Let me see. All right, I got the seats in. Kind of a rough draft of the brackets I built, so you can see them. It's just a rough draft right here. I'll show y'all the finished product when I get it all cleaned up and shit. Yeah. Real simple. It's not that hard. See how it works? These brackets still have to be tightened down in here, and I think I'm gonna trim them down a little bit more. So the foot room, I think I'm gonna trim them down till about right in here, up in here. So it'll just be cut all this extra excess off. Yeah, same thing on the other side, man. Yeah.